adaptations and innovations to make it wheelchair friendly. I'll show you now how I have used it. In the last house wherein I stayed, I faced few problems. The first problem was when I was used to lie on the bed. I never used to switch on the lights, switch off the fans whenever I require it's possible. But then in this house, it's very easy for me after home automation. Alexa, switch on the center light.
Okay.
Alexa, switch on the fan.
Okay.
Alexa, switch on the backlight.
Okay.
This is my best solution wherein I can use and switch on and switch off all the electricity connections as per my requirement, and I don't need to move for it. Even if I am lying on the bed or sitting outside, I can do it. Maybe with Alexa or with my mobile itself. Thanks for the home automation, for the innovation and best solution. Thank you. I have made few more modifications and adaptations in my room so that there is no barrier and it will be a barrier-free room. This is my study table. Generally the study tables are accompanied with the drawers and there are the handles at the back, or too many drawers are kept in the study table. But I have kept my study table spacious, like underneath you can see there is no hurdle, no barrier, so that I can sit properly and use my study table for doing any work. Here are the things which I can keep my books, my file, my laptop, so that I can use it as and when required. All these things, the drawers, the cupboards, I have made as per my requirements. So these are, I think this is the best possible solution which I can have. The room is also barrier free, there is no hurdle in between. For shifting onto the bed, I use this shifting platform so that I can shift easily. The height of the bed and the wheelchair is also very close, so that there is no problem for me to shift there. Thank you.
Break Free Solutions brought to you by eiLabs and Project Discovery.